Good evening. Welcome to Trading View for 26th May 2021. Nifty today opened gap up, made a high of 15,290. Almost immediately, profit booking was seen in Nifty throughout the day. We can see that a full body candle with a lower shadow has been formed during the day. However, as I had told yesterday, it took support at 15,160-70 levels. Going forward, we can see in the hourly chart that Nifty over the past 2 days has been consolidating very well. During the last hour of trade today, there was some buying seen in Nifty. Going forward, one needs to see whether Nifty will break out of this range or not. Going above, one can buy Nifty on any declines towards this line, that is 15,070, and also towards 15,140 levels. If there is any upward movement, then if Nifty sustains above 15,260 levels, one can buy the gap up. Only if it sustains above 15,260 for minimum half an hour to 1 hour. Otherwise, you can always buy it on a dip towards 15,140 and 15,070 levels. One has to bear in mind that Thursday is the monthly expiry for May contracts. The entire day today, Bank Nifty consolidated within a range of 400 points. Going forward, we can see that in the hourly chart, the next support for Bank Nifty comes, as I had told yesterday, at 34,100 levels, and on the upside it needs to take out 35,200 in order to move out of the range. One has to buy nearer to 34,200 or on a break above 35,200 levels. Now moving on to derivatives report. Nifty ended the day higher by 10 points to close finally at 15,208. Some fresh long positions were seen in Nifty futures, whereas Nifty futures rose by 0.1% and open interest went up by 1.26%. PCR for Nifty was at 1.05. Amongst Nifty options May expiry, we can see put writing at 15,000 levels, whereas we can see call being written at 15,500 and 15,300. Bank Nifty futures closed at 34,662. It was down by 283 points. We can see that there was some profit booking which was seen in bank futures. The profit booking was seen in Bank Nifty futures as open interest went down by 0.8% with Bank Nifty closing higher by 4%. That is the net contracts. PCR for Bank Nifty is at 0.76. Long build-up is seen by FIIs in index futures segment. They net bought index futures worth 1,477 crores. Their net open interest went up by 28,600 contracts. Securities in ban for trade tomorrow are Amar Raja Batteries, Canara Bank and PNB. FII activity on 24th May 21. They net bought worth 1,477 crores of futures, and their open interest contracts went up to 1,47,048. Finally, a look at the May series open interest chart for Nifty. We can see that 15,200 has almost the same number of puts and calls written. Whichever side Nifty breaks up, it moves towards that side. Thanks for watching. Have a very good night.